Oh my God. Honestly, I think this is the best chronograph of all time. I really do think so. What do you think? Yeah. Hi guys, and welcome not to the show, but to two very special announcements. This is launching. I can't do the wristwatch yet. I realized I shouldn't have worn this. But this is launching next week from now, which has probably already happened by the time you're watching this, or will it be in the future? I can't work it out. But yeah, on the 18th of November 2025, this is launching. There'll be a teaser at the end, and in a moment I'll discuss a few little clues, shall we say. But yeah, I'm very, very excited. 2 years in the making. I gotta shut up now. Hamilton, they're celebrating the launch of that fantastic watch that I discussed in my last video, the Call of Duty. Oh my God, I can't even do that. I'm gonna have to censor my wrist. If you missed my last video, I recently just purchased a Hamilton, not this one. This is limited to, I think, 5,000 pieces. Is that right? 5,000, right? Thank you, my beautiful assistant. To 5,000 pieces, and it's in collaboration with the new Call of Duty game. And this is the Khaki Field Automatic 38mm, and this is for Black Ops 7. I'm still actually playing the last one. I'm gonna have to upgrade my laptop to play this one now. They had the Far Cry collaboration, the Kojima watch, which I reviewed, and then this, which is, I think, the biggest game franchise out there. Let me know in the comments if I'm right about that. I'm pretty sure I'm right about that. But anyway, the watch matches the aesthetic of the game perfectly, because not only has it got that militaristic tactical look, but it's a more modern version of that classic mid-century mil-spec khaki watches that we all know and love and adore, right? So I think it's a fantastic bit of marriage of two worlds, and beyond that, it's important because they got to attract a new generation, right? Kudos to Hamilton for their visionary approach to watchmaking. Anyway, I feel like a news anchor. News just in. Now, to celebrate this, they have a pop-up launching in New York. This is November the 14th in NYC. The address is 437 Broadway in Soho, with a special preview event from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. that day. The opening weekend hours are the 14th to the 15th, so that is 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. And then November the 16th from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. And then what happens is they continue daily after that from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Until the end of November. So if you are in the area, go along. Unfortunately, I wish I could go myself. Actually, I might be able to. We had a whole bunch of events planned, one with Hamilton, another one with Breguet. If you attended the last one, the Longines one, it was a huge success. Their inaugural event at their new flagship store in New York, so it was a massive honor for me. We'll be doing a lot more of it. Obviously, I have this family situation which I had to attend, but when I'm getting back, I can't wait to catch up with a good Gentry crew. We've formed such an amazing community, so we're going to do a lot more of that, and I hope to do one with Hamilton as well. So I'm excited about that. Now, for the first 100 guests who visit the pop-up and say the special code word, which is TGV, actually in hindsight, I should have picked something like TGV's dashingly handsome. Yeah, that would have been next time, let's do that. If it was Hugo, it would be Toodle Pip Darling, right? No, that would be for the Jurassic Park watch. If there was a Jurassic Park watch, that would have been cool. Anyway, so if you mention TGV, you receive, for the first 100 guests, you receive a free gift from Hamilton. So fantastic. Thank you so much for Hamilton for, looking out for the good Gentry out there. Amazing. And they're also hosting a fantastic giveaway at this pop-up event. So attendees will have the chance to win an Xbox console. So what's better than this? You get to see some really cool iconic watches, hang out with watch enthusiasts, and possibly win an Xbox. Doesn't get better than this, right? News anchor style. For more information, visit Hamilton on their website and their social media pages. And if you require more information here, you'll find it in the description of this video. Let's talk about this watch, shall we? I left a few little Easter eggs in the teaser that dropped on the Instagram. If you are not following the Instagram, please do so. But there is little Easter eggs. I'll play that teaser for you guys right now. It's with a very, very prestigious brand. Someone said, oh, please, not a Mecha Quartz chronograph. It's not. Column wheel, flyback. Yeah, so you can see why I'm extremely excited. Should we just roll the teaser? I think that's about it, right? Yeah. Mio bellissima producer here is telling me to shut up and roll the teasers. All right, guys. I apologize there was no content last week. Obviously, I'm traveling. I will be back in New York very, very soon. I can't wait to get back into it. And yeah, a lot more to come. Stick around for this. Onwards and upwards. Please don't forget to like this video. I can't do it. I have to do it like this. Please don't forget to like this video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Ciao.
Numéro 306, 306, prochaine porte 42.